Hi, I'm Meg, and welcome to Scentsy Spotlight, where we highlight what makes Scentsy products stand out. I'm here in the product development workshop with Mark Sullivan, who's an industrial designer at the home office. Mark designed the Scentsy Diffuser, so we invited him here to tell us all about it. Welcome, Mark.
Thanks, Meg.
Our diffuser has a ton of features. Why don't you start by showing us how it works?
Sure. Let's start by looking at the reservoir.
Okay.
Inside here, you'll see a little hole and a disc. That's called the nebulizer. The purpose of the nebulizer is to vibrate really, really fast. That vibration combines the water and oil and makes our fragrant mist.
Okay, so how's that different from the other diffusers on the market?
Our nebulizer diffusion rate is at least 30 milliliters per hour.
Okay.
Most other diffusers on the market, they run between 10 and 15 milliliters an hour.
Oh, okay.
What that means for us is that we have a more consistent fragrance experience, and since we have the fastest, most powerful nebulizing disc on the market, we're really confident giving the Scentsy lifetime warranty.
Let's see it in action. Does it matter what the temperature is when you put it in?
It really doesn't. You can even use tap water. Can I show you a little secret that I built in?
Yes.
Put your finger over the funnel, and then you can see this line right here.
Okay.
Fill the water to that line, and you'll have the perfect amount of water every time.
No way. Oh my goodness, that's pretty cool. And I'm just gonna say it, our diffusers look way better than anything I've seen on the market.
Thanks, Meg. We didn't just want a diffuser that worked well, we wanted it to look good with your decor style.
So, do you have a favorite shade?
I do actually. It's called Enliven. It's made through a technique called slip casting. Once the shell is cast, a silicone mask is slid over, and then we sandblast this intricate pattern.
Wait, we sandblast it? That's pretty cool. For those of you who don't know what sandblasting is, it's like a fine point pressure washer, but instead of blasting water, it blasts sand.
Exactly. You know, we have a lot of shades, and they're all designed to complement our light settings. Can I show you how the light settings work?
Please.
So we have 4 different light settings: high, low, candle flicker. To get to the 4th setting, rainbow mode, from off, press and hold, and it'll start cycling through 16 different colors.
Wow.
If you have a favorite color, you can press once more, and it'll stay on that color. Is there a color you want me to pause on?
Well, I love all the colors, and I can't make a decision, so let's just leave it on rainbow mode.
Works for me. You know, one perk of having so many color options is that it can match whatever mood you're in, including an indecisive one.
Love that. Well, Mark, we've loved having you here, and thanks so much for sharing. That's all the time we have for today. If there are other Scentsy products you'd like us to put under the spotlight, tell us in the comment section. And if you want a step-by-step instruction on using the Scentsy Diffuser, go to the Scentsy YouTube page and search for Diffuser How To. Thanks for joining us.